especially someone that has been a tourism director myself, I don't think it's correct to say that the yachting sector is not bringing in, let's say, sufficient proceeds directly to the government. First of all provisioning that is provided to, so both for fuel as well as, let's say, provisioning of food, etc., is all subject to tax. Should the ERFPAC go up? Probably, yeah, definitely. I think that's something, but that would be minor compared to taking 5% of every proceed that is taxed, the assigns on the fuel that is done, and also the fact that you have dozens, sometimes at a time, hundreds of crew on the island that are staying here at the different hotels, at different apartments, and so on. Should it be taxed? Better? Indeed, but this is the point of reforms. I think, as I highlighted in my opening speech, the government has presented to Parliament that they are at a 92% success rate in executing the reforms thus far. When you look at the country packages, a lot of those things are tied already to our governing program, where issues like the marine sector, introducing an environmental levy on the marine sector, all of these things, I believe, will be integrated into the reforms. So on that end, also related to casinos, a gaming control board, all of these reforms, with or without a cohort, is the part of the intention of this government within the governing program. With the efforts we've seen so far, I know that there is a steering committee for the Gaming Control Board that is already heavily at work drafting that legislation. So I just want to not give the impression that it's something that's completely being ignored. I don't think a cohort has caused the attention to be on this. I think the signing of the coalition agreement of the current government is what has started a serious look at those reforms.